I'm going to demonstrate the use of the BurtonBands Posterior System in conjunction with current ring systems on the market. So one unique feature about the BurtonBands Posterior System is that it is compatible with the popular ring devices that we use today. So what I'm going to do for this larger lesion on the mesial of the molar is I'm going to place a BurtonBands large matrix. I'm just going to place it from the buckle. Gently push it into position, like so. So as it comes through in the lingual, or the palatal aspect, you can see that the wedge wings split in opposite directions. So for some of these larger restorations, it may feel more comfortable for some of you to use a ring to just ensure contact or just to speed up operation, and that's user preference, totally up to you. But I have designed it so that it is compatible with rings. So what you can do is just place the ring over the handle, which we made the handle size so you can just slide the ring over the handle. And on the other side, you're going to place that ring tine within the split of that split wedge, and you're just going to gently release. And the ring is going to engage the split wedge wings and push them in opposite directions. And so now you have a perfectly contoured matrix and a perfectly sealed gingival margin that is ready to restore.